In the previous video, we learned about the use of appropriate words instead of great when we have to speak about our feelings and experiences. Hello everyone, my name is Avika Negi, and in this video, we're gonna learn appropriate words when you have to answer the questions. Like, how was your performance? Let's get started. The first word is exquisite, exquisite, exquisite. For example, the artwork was exquisite. The second word is enthralling, enthralling. For example, I found your book absolutely enthralling. The third word is masterful, masterful. For example, the guitarist gave a masterful performance. The fourth word is mind-blowing. For example, it is mind-blowing and I speak as an expert. The fifth word is outstanding. Outstanding. For example, it was a quite outstanding performance. The sixth word is remarkable. Remarkable. For example, that was a remarkable achievement for my brother. The seventh word is notable. Notable. For example, this was a notable event. The eighth word is stunning. Stunning. For example, you are absolutely stunning. The ninth word is sensational. Sensational. For example, the program was sensational. The 10th word is sparkling. Sparkling. For example, the champion was in a sparkling form. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for learning with me. In the next video, we shall learn some more appropriate words to use to make your speech remarkable. If you are visiting my channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I am committed to providing outstanding lessons for you. Thank you.